Hey, Heather from hookedonpickin.com. I've got a sample box from OEM Experts that I'm going to unbox and show you what kind of new stuff they got in there. All right, so they're going to be doing a giveaway of sample boxes like this, OEM Experts is. And so this is a sample box. I bought other boxes like this from other platforms, and they usually range around the $150 mark. So let's see what we got in there and see if we can make our money up. But I wanted to open this up and just show you, this was supposed to be something different than what I've gotten before. I've gotten a lot of consumer electronics from them before, always in good condition. But they also do things like they can create stock photos for you, and they also have contacts at Amazon. So, you know, if you wanted to work with them, that's some of the things you could get. All right, so it looks like this is a Samsung model U-Flex cord. Then I've got a callus remover, brand new, still in the box. Yay, barcodes. I've got a phone case for an iPhone 6. A Power Pro 2-in-1 wallet power bank. So it's got the charger in it, but it's also a wallet and it's a phone case. NUUD phone case. It's pink. Looks like it's waterproof is what they're kind of saying. Some really nice stereo headphones. I've got, this is an Armor Light iPhone battery 6 case, and it was really neat. They put on the thing that it's also compatible with the 6, 7, and 8 iPhone. So that'll make it, like if I list this on eBay, I can list all of that on there. What's in this? This says it's a stainless steel cocktail shaker. Let's see what it looks like. Open this up. That's exactly what it looks like. Just a traditional stainless steel cocktail shaker. The barcode on the bottom. So that's really nice. A lot of brand new stuff I'm really liking. Another phone case. Like I said, they usually do consumer electronics, so you're always going to get a lot of some of this. Magnetic wallet case, so that's one of those folio cases. I always have to use one of these kind of cases because I'm notorious for pocket dialing people. So I use a folio case so that I don't accidentally pocket dial someone. This is a Focus 300 like athletic earbud. The ones that kind of wrap around the back of your ear. Here's a pair of men's boxers. I've always done really well selling anything new in package that's clothing because I can put it on eBay and Poshmark. This is awesome. It's a Christmas tumbler, coffee cup tumbler. So this tumbler has a letter J on it. It's kind of a bummer. Wish it had a letter H, I'd keep it. It's got really cute winter snowflakes, so that's perfect for right now. Then I've got this pink Portable Pro with flashlight battery powered charger for a phone. I've got this this is a USB tassel. So it's not just a key change, but it's actually a USB memory card. Then this is also another power bank, power reserve, really small, cute purple one. These come in handy. I use these a lot when I went to the ASD Market Week. Here's another one. It's called a Mophie. But it's got the charging cables there for the battery powered. This is the iPhone 6, 7, and 8 and X compatible wall charger. So it's a little USB wall charger. And then here's a protector device, iPhone 6 Plus case. This is an Urge Power flashlight. LED flashlight and night light. I'm actually going to pull it out of the box so we can see exactly what it looks like. It is new in packaging, but I want you to see, when I talked to Bobby from OEM Experts, he said that these were new coming out. So it looks like you plug it into the wall, and then it can either be a night light or you can take it out and then turn it on, and it's actually a flashlight. Those are actually really cool. These would be great for like emergency type situations, you know, if you want to keep it at work and all that fun stuff. So those are cool. Here's an LED sensor light. So when someone walks by, it's one of those stick on the wall kind, like that. So motion censored with a 3M sticker for it. It looks like I've got a couple of those. Let's see, I've got 1, 2 of those. And then this one is a 3-pack that I bet they're, they're under cabinet, ultra thin lights. Let me see, if they're not packaged too much, I'll go ahead and pull one out. These are neat. All right, so it's brand new in packaging. I'll have to put it all back in the package. But these are super thin. Look at these things. Super thin. So those are cool. So those I'm really excited about because I know I've always sold LED lights in the past. I'm going to put that all back in the box. So this is basically what you can get out of a sample box. So yes, some consumer electronics, a lot of just other various things. He's got some general merchandise items in here for me. And so I'm excited to see what it's worth. So I'm going to go through all these numbers, figure out what it's worth, and give you kind of a breakdown of what me as a reseller can purchase them for. But you know, even if you're not a reseller, you can purchase these just for personal use if you so choose. Remember, he's going to do a sample box giveaway. I'll give you all the details down in the description. And so hopefully this gives you an idea of a sample box from OEM Experts. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from HookedOnPickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.